Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the keyboard. It can be, for example, in messages, it doesn't really matter. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Now let's tap on languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of our languages, so the languages which we've got applied to our keyboard. Here we've got also the list of pre-installed ones, and if you cannot find the language you'd like to set here, just go to the very bottom of the list and tap on all languages. Tap on it. And as you can see, right now this list is much more decent. So all you have to do, of course, right now is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick maybe Urdu, just tap, and just tap on this tick icon here. We can go to the very top of the list, and as you can see right now, we can see that we've got English from the United Kingdom applied, but also the Urdu. So let's go back. Or Urdu, I'm not sure. Let's tap on it, and as you can see right now we can immediately pick the keyboard which we want to use. Right now we've got English, but if we want to change the language, all we have to do is to simply tap on the spacebar and swipe it, and as you can see I can immediately change the language. It's very easy in this device, in this kind of keyboard. So if you'd like to remove the language from this list, nothing easier, just go back to the languages and tap on the one you'd like to remove. So for example this one, as you can see right now it is inactive, so it won't be shown on the regular, let's say, keyboard. And if you'd like to totally remove it from this list, just long press to delete. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on delete, and as you can see it has been immediately removed. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.